Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. So in the past couple of videos, you've seen that I've been trading the MES on my $1,200 starting account. Started on 4/13, so we are officially 2 weeks in, and the account is now at 13,710. And it's at 13,710, which is a lower value than Friday because we lost 581 today. So this is the official first red day on the account. After 2 weeks, so minus $581. Could be worse, could be better, a lot better, and I will talk that through now. So I also did take my first micro NQ trade today for a short here. This was partially as a hedge because the Nasdaq was not correlated with ES today. So I thought the Nasdaq would be leading the way because it was dumping all day, and the ES was just trending up all day. So that was the first mistake. Second mistake, well, really the first mistake was actually I got long here. Really, basically at the low of day, I was long. I literally have an order at the exact low of the day right here at 44. This was a VWAP bounce. Zoom back in. So TradeEvade kind of gets weird on VWAP sometimes, but this was a VWAP bounce, which was literally the low of day. I bought it, got filled on it, and I got shaken out. You can see here I got shaken out right here off this flash dump because I saw the NQ ripping down and thought that NQ was going to lead the way, when in actuality they just weren't correlated today. So I got shaken out of this on what would have been an amazing long, all day long today. Almost hitting my target of 85, hit 84. Yeah, just crazy day for the long side. Congrats to all the people who won that. But this trade gave me about $200, and this was about $500, so I was $700 green. And then obviously I had this big loser for that would be almost $1,300. So got short here again, playing the correlation with some strength divergences, and it just did not go my way all day, obviously. Then I was playing this double top M pattern. Again, hit break even, and it literally bounced. This was my average entry. It bounced to the tick and ripped off of it. I had lots of opportunities today to get out of my position. I did not. I had lots of opportunities today to realize that like these were not correlated, but I just couldn't see it. And push comes to shove, I had the right idea here, and I just didn't follow through. So lots to work on. It's Monday, so that's okay. At the end of the day, we did get out of this trade minus 581, so could be worse. And yeah, that's where we're at today. So let's see on the account as a whole what that does for us. If it loads. Okay, so we're still up $12,500 on the account, and we're still winning about 78% of the time, even with today. And I think it's good that I needed a loser just to tame myself down a little bit, and y'all needed a loser to see that I am a human trading who doesn't win all the time. So if these are the types of videos you enjoy, a little bit of trade recap, talking through what my thought processes were and all of that, go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. Follow me on Twitter at TradesByMatt. And I do want to give a quick shout out to Real Brian Watt on Twitter. He's been showing this channel and my Twitter a lot of love the past 24 hours and bringing in a lot of new people. So if you're from him, thank you. And if you're not and you're not familiar with him, go give his Twitter and YouTube a follow at Real Brian Watt. I will see you tomorrow in the video if I don't see you in the Discord chat, which is linked down below. Peace.